Alright, so quick review on gold. Gold getting very interesting. What you see here is a break. So it clearly comes to this resistance and it breaks. Simple as that. Now, what's interesting is that it's going to that level of the breakout. And let's see the volume over there. The breakout volume's there. Over here you had a minor climax, some selling, ding 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 ding. Volume depleting, something going on right here. Alright, so 59 over here. So basically it rallies and it's pulling back. And the way it's pulling back in 1 bar, 3 bar, possibly 2 or 3 bars, I don't know. That's so far it's constructive. I don't like this heavy selling here. I don't like this heavy selling up here. Okay, so those are the bearish arguments, because one could say that, you know, climax, they sold on the way up and then selling on the way down, elements of distribution, etc., etc. But trend is a very powerful thing. So it might have just, so we want to watch what happens as it approaches these levels, and it's right there. Yes, you have a minor breakdown over here, but yeah, it always happens. You just need to know, like, intelligently what's going on. And why I say this is important is if you take a look at the right hand side, supply came in, confirmation came in, ding 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 ding. Now demand is coming in here and here. So that's very interesting because it's at an important level. By level, I mean area where demand overtook supply. As it's testing it, what are we looking for? What does it mean to test? The test is to determine, is demand still there? Test, there's at least 2 types of tests. The first is obviously breakout and the test of the breakout. But what are you testing? Are you testing the breakout? What does that mean? What you're testing is to see if demand is still there. When a breakdown, when it tests, what are you testing? You're testing to see if the supply is still there. That's one type of test. The other type of test is the climax followed by a secondary test, which all it's doing is seeing, is supply still there? Or on a buying climax, is the demand still there? And if it isn't, then it's going to go lower, potentially. Here, demand is there. No brainer. It goes to an important level where buyers overtook sellers, and demand is still there. Here, and it's here, and it's being expressed here in terms of volume and price. Over here it's more price, but we'll see what happens tomorrow. And this is a slightly higher high. So this area is becoming really important for the bulls. You could see that the thrust is shortening right here. See at this thing. See where the supply is. Supply is shortened as well. See, red is depleting. The thrust is shortening. Demand comes in. You have this heavy selling pressure here, abated on the secondary test. Goes from 63 to 24, leading to buyers coming in with 87 demand, able to move price up 850 bucks, followed by selling pressure of 19, moving price down 340, and this selling pressure is what I want to see, this 64. I want to see how this reacts here and whether there's a secondary test which you know, gets rid of the supply. So very interesting. And then if it is able to trend, meaning specifically make a higher high, like a clean higher high. You know, over here you have shortening of the thrusts, you have a spring or whatever you want to call it. It's very clear, right? Right there. Got the spring right there. So creating the range, is it able to hold? Will it dry up? Will demand come in, crack, and construct the uptrend? So stay tuned. All right, take care. Bye.